Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore custom shape, location, pin label code in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a new canvas. Select the custom shape tool from the toolbar. From the shape picker, choose a location pin shape and click once and drag to draw the pin. Hold shift to keep proportions correct. Change the fill color to red. Now select the rectangle tool. Draw a small rounded rectangle next to the pin. Change its fill color to white. Place the rectangle slightly overlapping the pin. Select both shapes and align vertically. Add place name text inside the rectangle. Adjust font size for readability. Double click the rectangle layer and add a soft drop shadow. Press OK. Zoom out and preview. Location label looks clean in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.